Hello and welcome back to MK's Electronics. Today I have a mystery box for myself because my wife did bought TikTok electronics. Well, I hope it's any good because we did need air purifier, but she just did go and buy one which was on a TikTok shop, and they apparently did good conversion on that because she purchased one. So the price was £20 for this air purifier. And it's no name, it's have no branding on it whatsoever. It just says air purifier on it. So I will be surprised as you will be, guys. Right, so if we open that, it's in a standard cardboard box. We are welcomed with a set of paperwork. Let's put it aside. One is in multiple languages, which is says UK, DE, FR, IT, and ES. And in multiple languages it tells you, before the use for the first time, please take out the filter to unpack it, then fit it back in. Product built-in sensor switch, you need to place the filter as required to start the machine. Clean the pre-filter using soft brush or vacuum hose every 2-4 weeks. Accumulated hair, dust, and large particles affect the accuracy of air monitoring. So that's that. They tell you have to clean it. Then you have your user manual, which is just simple instructions what not to do. Basically, don't touch it with wet hands, don't leave it in wet conditions, don't leave it in cold, etc. And simple button explanation right here. That's a simple button explanation. We will go through it. I will set it aside. It's just a reminder, because mind you, I didn't pick this, so I don't know nothing about it. We will discover it as we go. So the air purifier have a simple packaging. It's a carton like for X, and then it's just in a bag like this. Okay. You'll open this bag. Alright, click on the wheel. Okay. So luckily it's got a UK plug on it. This is the cover. And only thing what I'm wondering, how quiet it actually will be, because it was only £20. So we have a look on the top. There's the interface for it, and you get a button for the air, a timer, sleep mode. You can turn on UV cleaning, power on, power off, and button which kills most of the LEDs on it. So from the front you have the ventilation area here. It's drilled holes. It's like a mesh design. On the top you have a exhaust, I believe. There's an air exhaust, and this ring around that should light up and change colors. Depends on your air quality. I'm expecting to have low air quality in here because we don't have any air purifiers in here, and the air movement is not particularly high here. So before I plug it in, I will undo these tapes. They have a taped door for the air filters. They are taped. Oops. Okay. So we have doors which have a sort of leather pull on it. So feels like leather, looks like leather. I doubt it's leather, but it looks like it. So that's a door for the filter. Okay, my little daughter decided to make video with us. Okay, so if we pull the air filter from here, it looks like a air filter from the car, but this is HEPA filter. And it's like that. Let's undo it. And on top of it you have a direction which way to put it. I'll slide it back in. The HEPA filter itself have a pull here to pull it as well for cleaning purposes. And we can set it back in the machine like so. Let's have a, can hear some clicking in there. Does it have some lock? No, it's just micro switch. Just so it knows the filter is in. Alright, let's have a look how well this cover will hold on it. Apparently it does not. Okay, it does. Just how that holds there. Let's have a like weak magnets in there or something. And it does just sit in there. Okay, that's that. Let's go plug it in and we'll see how loud this thing will be. Okay, so it's plugged in. It did cycle some kind of colors on top. I will hit the power button and we get a blue light. And now it's supposed to do the diagnostic of the air. And I think blue light it's a clean air, yellow it's middle, and red it's dirty air. So far we have a blue. Okay. Oh, you can feel it. It's quite strong. Yeah. The bag won't. Yeah, it's quite strong. Okay. We hit the UV. What that does. It's got a UV light inside something on the filter. Okay, if I hit this button, that kills the ring light. And we switch to auto. That will adjust the speed of the fan speed according to the light on this ring. So if you have a blue, it doesn't need the fan goes so strong because we have a clean air, so it goes low. If this was red, it would try to clean the air as soon as possible. Alright, let's hit the sleep mode. Okay, this let me stop. Okay, so the sleep mode, they quiet the fan significantly. It's barely hearable. But it's still working, it's still low air, it's still circulating the air. Have a look on the back. It still moves air. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Let's turn off the sleep mode. Put it to number 2, that's the highest speed. I mean for 20 pounds, it's not bad. Now, was it shipped 20 pounds? Alright, so it was 20 pounds shipped. Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure how well it's cleaning the air because I can't check that now, isn't it? But let's see the. Where's my vape? Alright, I know it's not scientific test, but let's see how much smoke it will take out from my vape. Oh, and they did change light to red. Okay, that works. And automatically did ramp up the RPM of the fan. Let's see how long it will take to go back to blue. One more puff. Yeah, that goes immediately away. Alright. Now we will wait till it turns blue. Ah, orange. And we're back in blue. Alright, so it does react to the air pollution. Well, let's dare it one more time. Okay, so it doesn't pick up. Oh, it did. Oh, okay, it does immediately, almost. So the sensors are quite sensitive in there. Because before I blew it straight into it and it picked up immediately. Now I blew it in the air. It did took a few seconds, but it did pick it up. Well, I will have to say sorry to my wife then, because it's not that bad from TikTok shop. Well, to be fair, she could have bought something which doesn't work at all because she wouldn't know, and I wouldn't know. How you know there's something good in TikTok shop because they said so? You know what I mean? But yeah, I think it is as advertised. It works. It's quiet when you need to be quiet. I like it. When I quit, shipped, perfect. Which is probably maybe something more expensive or more advanced. I don't know. I never have air purifier, but I think something more advanced would clean the air probably faster or more efficiently. I don't know how to compare that. Maybe I will buy one which is like from a mainstream brand and compare it between this and that. We'll see. Right, let's do it this way. If we can hit 200 likes on this video, then I will buy mainstream brand air purifier and do comparison between this and something which is more expensive. Alright, let's wait for the blue light, and in the meantime, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next video.